Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation on Render cryptocurrency for December 2023, aiming to discover, as usually, the most important things. It is amongst biggest gainers, even though the crypto market has suffered quite big time. We are still having a great moment for some of the altcoins which didn't perform that well in the past, or they did perform very well and they're still continuing to perform very well without being stopped by the market dips that we just had. I mean, some of the altcoins dipped 20-30%. Meanwhile, the others have not been triggered at all. This is very important to consider. Now, Render is a cryptocurrency which is definitely worth our attention. As we already know, it is very close to the all-time high. So this is something that a lot of you pretty much care about. We have jumped on the volume side big time, and it's ranked pretty well amongst the attention of people. We would like to see what's going on in details. Before we get into the topic, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video. As well, we have our video series consisting 100 episodes for price predictions for 2024 of different cryptocurrencies. It is a video series including all these episodes that are getting prepared for you to have the sufficient knowledge on staying on the earth, not dreaming about millions of dollars for every crypto out there, which would not be realistical. And the wrong dreams are always costing you money. So be on the right side, folks. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Ask me any questions in the comments area. And by the way, you can be part of my trades as well. No prior fee, only commission from profits achieved. Only commission from the performance, which is paid by you every 7 days. I'm going to talk about this at the end of the coaching, including the ability for you to join my one-on-one coaching program, right? So this is a complex, comprehensive for anyone that is serious about this business, tired of losing money, or looking forward preparing to make money during the new bull market. Get the weapons ready. We are going to enter the bull market very, very soon. So what's going on with Render? Well, this crypto right here on the daily candlesticks is something that we're looking at. Something very important that I need to underline is that Render had an accumulation stage a year before many other altcoins, which is exactly during 2022. And this is quite astonishing that as soon as we entered into 2023, we have been breaking out of the accumulation stage, something very similar on what Injective had did. I'm going to post a video about Injective as well. You will see it on my channel. And you have the ability to discover that the charts are pretty much similar. It's just that Render didn't broke out the all-time high yet, which something Injective performed. But this is another crypto just like that had an accumulation stage in 2022, breaking out of that, retesting it. This moment is extremely important, guys. And it seems like the retesting has happened very, very close to the date and time, just like for Injective crypto. Then we have exploded pretty much aggressively from the retest, which is something normal. I mean, this kind of retests of major structure breakouts are discovered by big guy traders, big wallet traders, and whales out there that are taking advantage of this and they're monetizing it. 205% on 71 days right there as a complete action. Then obviously the absolutely necessary retracement falling into the extension and coming back of the $2.5 retracing to test the golden pocket, which has been done successfully. This wick shadow candle right there is basically what most likely guarantees the fact that you are going higher with the liquidity, and that's exactly what you have performed. Render has been able to climb itself back to the $4 mark right now, sitting on a level which is not unbreakable, but most likely we're going to break it and retest the major golden pocket coming from the all-time high in between the two horizontal orange lines, around $5 up to 5.3. So those are the two levels that we're actually needing to fight with. At the same time, we might get some struggle at 1.6182, which we should not underestimate at the moment. Therefore, as soon as we are climbing ourselves out of the zigzag zone between 1.272 extension and the red line 1.414, let's get out of this zone and find ourselves in a touch against the $5 mark. That fight is going to be heavy due to the fact that if you break out of that, you are going straight to the all-time high, which is located at $8, right? The gray line, the horizontal gray line, is portraying the all-time high of render, and as soon as you confirm yourself above with a double or triple bottom structure, including the price action candlesticks, indicators, and conjunction between everything, on-chain data, everything that we could see around is portraying support at that level above the golden pocket from the all-time high. So you need to be above that one. As soon as we are confirming it, we're attacking the all-time high, and that's a straight, beautiful estimated revenue of 49%. Great movement. You put it out on a 5x leverage, you are 250% on your margin. What else would you expect, basically? And that's not going to take too much or too long. As soon as you have the final entry on the confirmation, which can be tested a couple of times in terms of the golden pocket, you will be great to go in the right direction. This is where render sits, and this is where we're actually looking for it in December. Do we consider $8 in December? Well, not really. It's not having that probability. But do we consider a retest of the golden pocket coming from the all-time high around 5 up to 5.5? Yes, that would be the main target for render through December. One thing is going to have the ability to change the market environment, and this is going to be the Bitcoin. If BTC at some point during this month starts dying, dipping, and suffering, we are not going to have an easy moment for render to survive at these levels. If BTC allows render to move, it will simply do that expected rocket movement up to the golden pocket, which is 27%, and definitely has the ability to deliver it. Beautiful. So let me know if you have questions. Let me know your numbers and predictions around the topic. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. At the same time, for those of you that would like to be part of my trades, which is based on performance, no prior fee, only commission from performance, paid by you every 7 days. We perform the trading for you through API trading permission, or you can actually execute a trade by yourself. And this is the second option. Now, what about the educational side? Well, you can watch the video for a complete explanation, or you can jump on a free conversation with me. I don't want to take too much of your time. I'm just going to tell you that this is only for serious people looking for an intensive coaching program that are either tired of losing money and have not made sufficient during the past bull markets, or they're not at the level of knowledge they would expect and they know they can reach, right? So if you have not touched your complete potential, then education is what is going to make it. Now, this is a comprehensive program live with me where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to read the charts, how to think, how to trade, how to use the risk management leverage, do exercises, technicals, indicators, strategies. Everything that a trader is needing from A to Z. Exactly what do I do from the very first moment of the day until the last second of the day when I trade. Beautiful. Reach out to find out more. Have a good time, guys. Enjoy, and we talk to you soon.